Hello everyone! We are out here at the lake with Ugly Betty, with the girlfriend. Gonna try to get her on some smallies. She hasn't really even caught smallies, so that means PB smalley time, even if they're little. But yeah, so that's the plan. Let's get out there on the water.
Alright, so what's the point of this sign?
Just what I'm doing. It's the same thing. Yeah, cast it out. And just reel it in. And something, hopefully, will blow up on it. And it will be a lot of fun. Topwater smallies, man. So much fun. Oh, goddamn, the water's cold. 57. Yeah, got cold. When I was here 2 weeks ago or whatever, it was like 63. Dropped quick. Oh, what did it look like? Oh man, sounded like a carp. Pretty big splash. Catch it. Might not have been a carp. I don't know. None of us saw it. It was just a guess. Could have been a big old football. Holy Christ. What? No way. Are you sure? This went from like 3 foot to 16 feet right there. Yeah. That means, put down this top water for a second. Put down the top water for a second. Grab the tube. Drag that tube down that drop. Saw something down there. Two on it. Kind of straight off that little point that comes out.
Straight off what?
Nope. Hit something. Oh! Is that what that guy was talking about he was taking pictures of?
Yeah.
What happened?
What happened?
When I had that bite, I guess. Or what I thought, I'm saying it was a bite. It was probably a fucking rock. There's no rocks here. What am I talking about? Well, fish for a minute and catch something already. Jeez. Why? Huh? Nah. Just some days suck. Some days suck, some days are buenos. Weird. Okay. Making a move. Making a move, going back to top water once we get there. But we got a ways, so. But we got a ways. All the way to that corner over there. Dirty.
Yeah, it's really nasty.
That's weird. Wow. I think it's all just the aerator just pushing out all that blue-green algae.
I'm pretty sure it's a person. Yeah.
So, if so, if so, he's extremely still.
Oh no, it's a person.
And he's wearing a Canadian tuxedo. He's like all blue. Yeah. Jean jacket, jeans, Canadian tuxedo.
Oh.
You never heard that?
No.
Okay. Now, as soon as I do this. Probably. Alright. The tube. Got him. Oh! Lost him. Alright. That was a fucking hard thump. Okay. Finally. Where'd you go, man? Where the fuck did you go?
You scared the crap out of him. He's gone.
Oh. Nope, that was just dragging something on the boat. Or with the boat. Oh. Got him that time. Just a little dude.
What a cutie.
What's up, little dude?
Hi, buddy.
Ugh.
Aww.
Smallies, man, they never quit.
Oh yeah. They are fighting for what they believe to be their life.
There we go. Got one. Oh my god, he's a giant. Bye, little buddy. It has been a struggle this morning, but the tube comes through. Huh?
So good luck, you caught one.
I just end up giving you a tube. Boat's got a leak.
What do they call it? White water?
Oh, yeah.
We were like, when we were kayaking for the trip from work, we were going through all the spots that had like little dips and waterfalls and stuff to see how well we could do.
Another little one. It's another little dude. I can't get it. He's too little. Catching the giant smallies today, boys. Look at that. Bye, little buddy. Didn't even notice he was on there. And then I just kind of pulled it and I was like, I don't know. And then just set it anyway. Huh? Another little one. Oh, actually, it might not be too bad. Not a bad one at all. Come here, you little football. Come here. Fuck yeah.
Dang.
Oh, look at that. You freaking choked that tube. Look at that. Choked the tube. Yes. Hopefully you didn't completely choke it, because that would suck. Oh, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Gotta do surgery, bro. Sorry, I know. Through the gill plate, and then tip it up, and it should pop right out if I can get to it. I don't want to cut it, bro. Seriously. I gotcha. It's a problem with the tube sometimes. Three. Oh. That's alright. 3, 5, 7. 3.5. That's almost my PV smallmouth.
Really?
Yep. Oh my god.
I did my best. You gotta fix the fish. I got distracted.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my god. Yes! Click on my logo in the upper left hand corner to subscribe. In the upper right hand corner is the last video I made. In the lower right hand corner there's a video I know you'll enjoy. And make sure to hit that like button down below as well.